Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to explore how Microsoft Copilot help us to write a better email. Microsoft provide the feature of coaching when we write the email, and after that selection we have used the coaching feature, and there it will analyze our email, then gives us a suggestion. So let's start it. So I'm going to compose an email. Dear Ahmed, your requested features are developed and unit testing is completed. I already deployed the code on UAT. Please test and let me know. So I write a formal email. I write a just email, whatever is comes into my mind, and then deploy on production server. Right, whatever I write in a formal way. I select it, and from this menu, Copilot, it is option for a coaching. I click on it, and let's see what Copilot suggests us. So it gives us some insights that email is direct and factual, which is efficient, but warmer and more tuned could be faster, better. You might consider this starting with friendly greeting. I hope you are well. I set a positive tone. Instead of please test and let me know, you could say could you please review and let me know and know your feedback, and add a closing link. Thank you for your support is expression and to the positive tone. Reader sentiment. Email communicate progress and next step clearly, but it could make the recipient feel more valued and appreciated through positive language. You might acknowledge the recipient's previous contribution as thank you for your valuable input on requested features. Expression like I am looking forward to your thoughts. Let me know if you have any questions or need any helping during. Then it talk about clarity. Clarify process and timeline. The email clears instruction but specify the progress and expectation could improve your understanding. Once you have completed testing, please confirm us so I can deploy it to it production. Mention as a deadline or expected timeline of applicable. Let me know your feedback by till date and expect features I have. So in this way, Microsoft suggests us. So I'm going to use the tune that hope I so okay. Now either I have to copy it or I have to apply the suggestion, or I am going to apply all suggestions. It give me I hope you well. I wanted to inform that the requested features have been developed and unit testing is completed. The code has been already deployed on UAT environment. Thank you for your valuable input on a requested feature. Could you please review and let me know your feedback? Once you have completed testing, please confirm so I can proceed with deploying the production server. If it is possible, please provide your feedback by date. Let me know if you have any questions or need any help during the testing. Thank you for your support. So I now it asks me the question that replace, so I'm going to replace it. So right now I have this wonderful email I can send to a client. So in this way, Microsoft Copilot help us to coach. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.